Wankhede now has moved the Bombay High Court against the CBI FIR. The plea seeks no coercive action against himself. Now, Bombay High Court is to hear this matter at 2:30 p.m. today. This after he was asked to appear before the CBI. He's sought time. It's possible that he could appear on Monday. Again, we don't know because he's already moved the Bombay High Court asking for protection against any sort of coercive action. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us at the moment. Clearly, Mustafa, Samir Wankhede knows he's in deep trouble.
Well, yes, and this is the second attempt to avoid arrest. First was at Delhi High Court, where the CBI had challenged the jurisdiction, and now Samir Wankhede has come to Bombay High Court. Remember, it's a vacation bench ongoing, and that bench has kept the hearing at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. The CBI has to reply on this issue. What will be CBI's stand? Whether they highlight the evidences which have been found against him before registering the FIR. There are other officers of the NCB who are also named as an accused in this FIR. So there are a lot of things which will be clear in the court, and what will be important for Samir Wankhede at this juncture is that whether he gets any relief from the court on arrest, because what it seems that he is ready to answer the summons, ready to appear before the CBI, but at this point he is asking for something on a pre-arrest bail or an interim pre-arrest bail of sorts till the time the main benches after holidays start. So whether that relief of no coercive action will be given to Wankhede or not is a big question. Back to you, Paulami.
Okay, so whether that relief will be given to Wankhede or not, we'll of course find out as that hearing takes place at 2:30 p.m. today. Devesh, coming back to you, how is the NCB now looking at this case? Because at multiple levels, it appears that there was an attempt to implicate Aryan Khan in this case and also extort his family in order to be able to let off. Sahil, I'll take that question with you.
Well, right now what we can clearly see is that Samir Wankhede is trying to avoid the CBI investigation. He approached the court in Delhi not only to seek protection but also seek a cross FIR against the officer who submitted this vigilance report to the Narcotics Control Bureau, the DDG Gyaneshwar Singh, who was earlier called, specifically sent to Mumbai when Nawab Malik, then minister in Mahavikas Aghadi government, started making these allegations of his disproportionate assets, of how he is mishandling the case, how he's trying to fix people in various cases. After that, the DDG Gyaneshwar Singh was sent to Mumbai because the DDG here was on leave, and that's why he came to Mumbai. What he saw during his visit to Mumbai, then he informed to the Delhi headquarters, and after that the proper SIT was set up, specifically after Prabhakar Sail, one of the key witnesses in Cordelia Cruz case, spoke out in open to India Today, and after that, this whole case blew up. The vigilance inquiry was set up. Vigilance inquiry asked various people to come forward and give the details to them. They called Samir Wankhede as well to ascertain whether the allegations made against him, how he's trying to protect the allegations, because there was a list of witnesses sent to the vigilance officer, this DDG Gyaneshwar Singh, saying that these are the witnesses are already known to Samir Wankhede, and he's been using them in various cases to frame the people just to strengthen his case. And when it was asked to Samir Wankhede, he didn't have a proper answer to give. And after that, this vigilance inquiry report was submitted. On the basis of that report, CBI Anti-Corruption in Delhi has taken the case not only of the the corruption case under PC Act, the Prevention of Corruption Act, but also for intimidating people, threatening people, and extortion as well. And after that, Samir Wankhede approached the Delhi High Court. So now, what I can see is that even in Mumbai High Court, he will try and tell them that he needs to register a cross FIR against the officer who is filed this vigilance inquiry report. He has been not given a proper opportunity to reply. On these grounds, now he's trying to avoid the arrest. The CBI has, in fact, he tried to tell people, his people tried to tell the journalist here that he has been given protection from the arrest from the Delhi High Court, which was actually not given. He has only been told by the Delhi High Court to go and file the case in the Mumbai High Court because it's not in their jurisdiction. Secondly, the CBI told them that he's supposed to come for the questioning, But if he doesn't want to appear in front of the CBI officers, he will have to file it in a written application, which he did not, and he did not go to the CBI officers who were present in Mumbai to question him, interrogate him. He was supposed to go to in front of the CBI officers, which he did not go yesterday. So now we'll have to wait and see, because today they have mentioned this matter, this guy, Samir Wankhede's lawyers, to the division bench of Mumbai High Court. It's a vacation division bench. Whether they hear it properly, whether they have asked CBI also to file a reply, which CBI is already ready with. We'll have to wait and see whether the required protection, what he is asking for as an interim relief, whether the division bench gives that particular report or not. The vigilance report against Samir Wankhede is actually telling whether now what the court thinks about this particular vigilance inquiry report, or they believe Samir Wankhede and decide to give them more time, is definitely up to the division bench. We'll have to wait and see at 2:30.